Fix Roblox This Experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after checking on the connection, launch Play Store application on your device. Now tap on the search bar and search for Roblox just to make sure you have an updated version of the application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Roblox application. So select on the home screen, and now let's just drag the app list and search for Roblox. To make a long press on it and select on app info. As you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of clear all data at the bottom right corner. So select on clear all data, then tap on delete all data, and possible you can delete all data, but if not, you can just clear the cache, and after that you can relaunch the Roblox application, and this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.